airport. Where we going, Kalani?
Texas.
Yeah, we on our way to Texas. Aloha Fest. San Antonio. If I look really tired, y'all, it's because I just spent the last 24 hours at work doing some of this. Yeah, whole lot of fun closing up some last minute stuff before I retire, but we're gonna jump on this flight, right? Yeah, next stop, Texas. Let's go. We are here in Austin. A couple plane naps later. We look like this now, but wait till showtime. Yeah. Lovely Texas. It's always a treat coming back here. Get to see some amazing things. You know, like this little puppy. Yeah, it's an amazing time.
How you doing? How you been?
No, really, I'm little puppies. Watch. Little doggy. Chilling. Pre-show action.
I'm still just a fire knife dancer.
Still just a fire knife dancer.
We gotta practice.
Go practice. Nerd.
I'm winning.
No, we're not practicing, but I'm just watching the video.
Pre-nap.
Just
Pre-nap.
because.
Pre-show naps.
Yeah. Lots of pre-show now.
Yeah. These guys.
Hey!
I guess we gotta come say hi to this one.
Hey y'all, you missed me? Welcome back to the vlog. I'll be back.
Somebody's ready. She's ready for the show.
She's recharging. Don't bother her.
Recharging.
A little pan. Oh, the cameraman. I think you should stay behind the camera.
Wow. Y'all see how she treats me?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Hawaiian punch.
Like and subscribe.
I'm excited to announce this next group for you guys. So excited. This award-winning professional Polynesian dance troupe with over 20 years of experience captures the spirit of the Pacific through their lovely leg readers, their pulsating Tahitian drums, and even their captivating Samoan fire knife and fire poi dances, erupting the energy of the islands to life. From the Lone Star State of Texas to the Cocoa Beach, Florida, under the direction of Jacinta Napuamae Ohana, I present to you Hiki Mahana!
shit off. Cut it out.
Just waiting for the Fire Night show. Fire Night show. Fire Night. Fire Night show.
And that was the show, y'all. Always an awesome time coming down back to San Antonio for these shows. Did you have fun? You. Kalani had fun. You saw in the video, everybody had fun. Musicians, dancers. Yeah, it's a great time. So we're back in Austin, flying to Orlando. We gotta be back at work in the morning for more of that work stuff. So yeah, summertime's coming around. We got more shows. Kailani, you ready to do some more shows?
See the sign?
Yeah, so we're ready to do some more shows. Yeah, let's get it. So appreciate y'all checking these out. Till next time, stand by. Peace. Wait, before we go, since we got a nice little delay, let's check this place out. Shout out Sapphire Reserve. Yeah.